So here it is called as soil erosion. So when wind and water effect is there, say for example the barren land, the soil is totally exposed to the atmosphere. When there is a rainfall, when heavy rain is coming, okay, so all rain drops they are falling on the water. And when water current is created, along with the water current, soil is flowing off. Then the top soil goes and the inner soil comes out. So the fertile soil goes off from the area that we are calling it as soil erosion. This is a water example. The same thing happens to the wind also. So in this way, option A, soil erosion is the correct one. Next. An area of soil is thoroughly wetted and allowed to drain until capillary movement of water stops. The water contents of the soil will give an estimate of its options: capillary water, storage water, field capacity, gravitational water. It is called option C, field capacity. Next one. Deforestation has an alarming effect on increase in grazing area, sunlight, weed control, soil erosion or desertification of habitat. That is, deforestation has an alarming effect on the soil erosion or the desertification of habitat. Just now I told, soil erosion, the top fertile soil goes up. Once the fertile soil goes up, then the other plants cannot grow in that area. Because to produce a fertile soil, it requires millions and millions of years. So as a result, here option D, soil erosion or desertification of habitat is the right one. Next. The best soil for healthy and vigorous growth of the plant is options: clay, loam, sandy soil, none of the above. So here it is the loam soil. In case of loam soil, maximum fertility you are observing, maximum aeration will be there, and it can store water also. So as a result, the loam soil is the correct answer. Next, the pH of a fertile soil is usually around pH of fertile soil. Okay, it is usually around 2 to 3, 6 to 7, 8 to 10, 11 to 12. That is 6 to 7. Option B, 6 to 7 pH is the requirement. Next. The components of a soil are, which are the components of the soil? Just see, inorganic and organic components, water and air, livings, all the above. Here, inorganic and organic components, they are very important for the soil to grow a vigorous plant growth. So, for that purpose, option A, inorganic and organic component is the next, solubility and availability of plant nutrients are more related to solubility and availability of plant nutrients are more related to where they are related. Just see the option: soil pH, soil porosity, soil temperature, soil color. It is definitely soil porosity. Okay, it is totally depending on soil porosity. That is option B. Next, loss of upper fertile layer of soil is known as loss of upper fertile layer. Just now I explained. Yes, your imagination is correct. That is A, pediogenesis, B, pediosolization, C, soil erosion, D, none of the above. So it is option C, soil erosion. Next, water logging occurs in waterlogging in the sense water standing. It occurs in clay soil, loamy soil, gravel soil, sandy soil. Definitely it is option A, clay soil. Clay soil is having maximum capacity to hold water. So as a result, waterlogging takes place in clay soil. Next, deep black soil is considered to be highly productive due to high proportion of, see the option, silt and earthworm, clay and humus, gravel and calcium ion, then sand and zinc. It is clay and humus. So clay and humus, it has deep black soil that is considered to be highly productive due to high proportion of clay and humus. Clay and humus, clay holds water, humus gives fertility to the soil. So whatever nutrients are required to the plant for the vigorous growth, they are available here. So option B, clay and humus is correct one. Next, sheet erosion is caused by, the sheet erosion is caused by fast running river, wind, heavy rains, glaciers. It is due to heavy rains. So option C, heavy rain. Next, mulching helps in soil fertility, moisture conservation, improvement of soil structure, soil stability. It is helping in moisture conservation. That is option B. Moisture conservation is the right one. Next, soil conservation can be best achieved by having, okay, how you are having soil conservation? Just see, wind screens, good plant covers, restricted human activity, low rainfall. The best example is good plant covers. If suppose any area is there, barren land is there, if suppose everywhere the grass is formed, then it coats the soil. So as a result, option B, good plant cover is the right answer. Next, the process of lateralization results into, okay, now degradation of soil, formation of humus, mineralization of humus, formation of soil. That is option A, degradation of soil. Okay, next, salinity of the soil is often caused due to, why salinity increases? Just see, accumulation of soluble minerals near or in the surface in arid region. B, excessive addition of water. C, rapid evaporation of surface water. D, excessive leaching. It is option A, accumulation of soluble minerals near or in the surface in arid region is the right one. Next, insectivorous plants grow on. Where insectivorous plants are growing? Just see, nitrogen deficient soil, oxygen deficient soil, chlorine deficient soil, then carbon dioxide deficient soil. So here option A, nitrogen deficient soil. So insectivorous plants, they are having a special type of enzymes in bulbous structures at the tip of those hairs, and they are containing lytic enzymes. When insect is coming and just entering or sitting on the body of that particular plant, insectivorous plant, it slowly closes and all those enzymes are released on the body of the insect. So as a result, insect is killed and it is digested. So the nitrogen availability, whatever is there, that is from the insect to the plants. So here nitrogen deficient soil, they are containing insectivorous plants. Next, Soil formed by transportation of disintegrated parent material from one place to another is called. See the option: light soil, alluvial soil, heavy soil, sedimentary soil. It is definitely the sedimentary soil. Next one. Soil erosion is greater when soil erosion is more. Just see, there is no rain, the rainfall is low, winds do not blow, the rainfall is received in heavy downpour. So here option D, the rainfall is received in heavy downpour. So this is the right answer. Next one you see, when one organism is benefited without affecting the other is called. One is benefited, another one is not benefited, neither harm. Just see, parasitism, commensalism, saprophytism, symbiosis. It is commensalism. So option B, commensalism is the right one. Next. Biotic factors are, which are life factors? Just see, chemical factors of soil which affect life, physical factors of soil which affect life, all living organisms which influence other organisms, factors of atmosphere which affect life. That is option C, all living organisms which influence other organisms. Okay, this is the right one. Next. Which of the following is not a biotic component? It is not a biotic component out of these four. Which is that? Phytoplankton, herbivores, life, bacteria. So, life is the factor here. So, phytoplankton, herbivore, bacteria, these are the life, and life is the physical one. So, option B, option C, life is the correct answer. Next. If the strong partner is benefited and the weak partner is damaged, it is known as. So, here, commensalism, symbiosis, predation, allotropism is definitely called as predation. Okay, one is benefited, another one is harmed. The best source of energy in the environment is. In the environment, which is the best source? Just see, water, soil, trees, ponds. Here, the trees are the best sources. Next. Mycorrhizae, a relationship between fungi and roots of higher plants is. So, mycorrhizae fungus, if we are taking conifers, that is gymnosperms, okay, the roots they are containing the coralline roots, and they are in association with the fungi and algae. Fungi is nothing but a mycorrhizae. Okay, and so here mycorrhizae, a relationship between fungi and roots of higher plants is parasitic relationship, saprophytic relationship, symbiotic relationship, epiphytic relationship. So here it is option C, symbiotic relationship. So here what is happening? The mycorrhizal fungus, okay, it is getting an area, and the algae, it is synthesizing food material. So both are benefited. So as a result, this is the option C is the right answer. So, dear friends, so far what we discussed, it will be definitely beneficial to you. In the coming class, whatever is remaining, will continue with it. So, thank you very much.